everyone, my name is Alia Sultani. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through a password cracking challenge from the NCL where we need to recover hacker passwords from the dump hash file. So let's get started. So as you can see here, I already finished the challenge with answering all the questions and then solve the old problems. So the hint says that the passwords overlap with the RockYou breach, so I will be using the famous RockYou.txt word list for this challenge. And then to solve this, I'm going to use the Kali Linux because it's very easy for me to solve it. So here I have the hash file from the challenge saved as MD5 file.txt. As you can see here, I already copy and paste the hashes. Now, since I already finished the file, and then I'm ready now for the run the hashcat. I'm gonna use the hashcat with the mode -m0 for the MDF. So here the hashcat, and then this is my MDF file hashes, and then there you go. All hashes, as you can see here, all hashes found as a profile. So already the hashcat has cracked the all passwords. So now I just need to copy and paste them. And then just to show it, there you go. And then that's it. We successfully cracked the password using the hashcat and the RockYou. I wish you good luck for your NCL challenges. Thank you for watching.